morning, students. In the last class, we discussed Newton's forward interpolation. What, students? Newton's forward interpolation. And some problems on Newton's forward interpolation, students. What are the problems? F of 2.5 or some exponential. Now, in this lecture also, I want to solve some more problems on Newton's forward interpolation. But different models, students. Different models. The models are trigonometric. Or, students, sine functions. Or if you given square root of functions. These two problems I want to solve this in this lecture, students. Right? Let us see the Newton's forward interpolation formula once again and the problem, students. Right? See, this is Newton's forward interpolation formula, students. What is formula? Y is equal to f of x is equal to y naught plus p into del y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube y naught plus and so on. Plus and so on. And here p is here, students, x minus x naught by h. X minus x naught by h. X is given value, students, and x naught is the initial point. Now h is, what is h, students? Differencing of the interval. Okay, students, this is Newton's forward interpolation formula. The problem is, write down, students, problem. He given sine 45, students. Sine 45 is equal to 0.7071 and sine 50 is equal to 0.7660 and sine 55 is equal to 0.8192. Sine 60 is equal to 0.8660. And what he says, students? Find sine 52 by using Newton's forward interpolation formula. I find the value, students, sine 52. Sine 52. Solution. You always write the first step as formula, students. Formula. What is formula? Y is equal to f of x, that is equal to y naught plus p del y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y naught plus and so on, students. Right? And then I want to find here always del y naught, del square y naught, del cube y naught, students. Del cube y naught. So again I am taking a draw table here. So x, and say this is y, students. Y. X, y. Now how many values are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values, students? 4. That means we get up to del cube y naught. So it is a del y, and then del square y, and then, students, del cube y. Now what is x value, students, here? What is x value here? 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, students? 50, 55, 60. Now y value, students? 0.7071, 0.7660, 0.8192 and 0.660. Okay, students. Now this is y naught, y1, y2 and y3, students. These are y1, y0, y1, y2, y3. So how can you get del y naught, students, here? Del y naught. What is formula del y naught? Del y naught formula is y1 minus y0, students. y1 minus y0. So y1 minus y0, students. So find the value, students. I already fixed it here. Fixing to 3 decimal places, students. 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places, because he given up to 4 decimal places, right? Del y naught students, y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 means 0.7660 minus 0.7071. That is equal to 0.0589. Similarly, del y1 students, y2 minus y1, so 0.8192 minus 0.7660. That is equal to 0.0532. Del y2 students, y3 minus y2, so 0.8660 minus 0.8192. That is equal to 0.0468468. Now I want to find del square y naught students. Del square y naught. What is del square y naught students? This is del y naught. This is del y1. So del y1 minus del y naught. Okay students, this is del y1 and this is del y2. Okay students. Now once again 0.0532 minus 0.0589 is equal to, we get here minus 0.0057. Now del y2 minus del y1 students, 0.0468 minus 0.0532. That is equal to, we get here minus 0.0064. Del cube y naught students, del cube y naught minus 0.0064, minus into minus plus, you get here plus 0.0057. We get here minus 0.0007 students, 0007. Now I want to find p value students. P value. P is equal, what is formula? X. What is x students? 52. Minus x naught. What is x naught value students? Initial value. So x naught is 45. Divided by difference students. H means difference. H means difference students. What is 45, 50, 55, 60? So h is 5 students. H is 5. So divided by 5. That is equal to 52 minus you get here 7 students. 7 by 5. So that is equal to 7 by 5 means 1.4 students. 1.4. Right? We get p value is 1.4. Now I want to find sine 52 value students. Sine 52. That is equal to, what is y naught students? Y naught is, this is y naught 0.7071 plus p. P value is 1.4. Del y naught is 0.0589 plus p into p minus 1 students. P value is 1.4 into p minus 1. That means you get a 0.4 divided by 2 factorization. 2 factorization is 2 into del square y naught. Del square y naught is minus 0.0057 plus p into p minus 1. So 1.4 into p minus 1. That means you get a 0.4 p minus 2 students. P minus 2. You get here minus 0.6 divided by 3 factorization. 3 factorization is 6. And del cube y naught. Del cube y naught is minus 0.0007. So that is equal to, do it in the calculator students. 0.707 plus 1.4 into 0.0589 plus here the numerator values, take these three terms, students, bracket 1.4 into 0.4 into minus 0.0057 bracket close divided by 2, students, plus you write the 4 terms, students, here. But again within the bracket 1.4 into 0.4 into minus 0.6 into minus 0.0007 bracket close divided by 6, which is equal to, students, we get here 0.7879. This is the value of sine 52, students. Value of sine 52. Now we can check in another method, students. We can check another method. So we have calci here. So he given in degrees. So we convert into degrees, students, first of all, and then sine 52. We check the, students. We get here 0.7880. See, students, 0.7879. That means 0.788. So we get the value is correct here. Okay, students. Let us see another problem. Write down another problem, students. See, root 5 is equal to 2.236, students. Root 6 is equal to 2.449. Root 7 is equal to 2.646. Root 8 is equal to 2.828. Find square root of 5.5. What value, students? 5.5. By using Newton's forward interpolation formula. For students, by using Newton's forward interpolation formula. Right. Solution. You always write the first step as the formula, students. First step as the formula. Don't forget, students. Most of the people done mistake here. Most of the people, they don't write the formula and they started draw the table here. Okay. After draw the table, they write the formula. No, students. You first write the formula. Okay. Right. Now draw the table, students. X, y, x, y. How many values are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means del q y now. So del y, del square y, del cube y. Or, students, del cube y. Now, what is x here, students? What is x? Come on. What is x? Here x is 5, students. X is 5. Most of the people, they write root 5. It is wrong, students. It is wrong. Here x is 5, students. Because they are finding root of 5 value. F of x is equal root x here. What is x value? X value is 5. Are you got the point here, students? Okay. Now count me here. Next value 6, and then 7, and then 8. Corresponding y value, students, 2.236, 2.449, 2.646, 2.828, 2.828. Now del y naught, students. Del y naught formula y1 minus y naught. y1 minus y naught. So this is y naught, this is y1, y2, y3. This is x naught, x1, x2, x3. Right. Del y naught, students. Del y naught. y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. Use calculator here, students. Use calculator here, students. 2.449 minus 2.236, that is equal to, get here 0.236. 2.2130, and then del y1, y2 minus y1, 2.646 minus 2.449, that is equal to 0.1970, and then 0.828 minus 2.646, that is equal to 0.1820. Now find del square y naught, students. Del square y naught. Here 0.1970 minus 0.2130, that is equal to, you get minus 0.0160, and then 0.1820 minus 0.1970, that is equal to minus 0.0150. Now del q y naught, students. Del q y naught. Del q y naught. So minus 0.015 minus into minus plus, students. So plus 0.016, that is equal to plus 0.0010, students. 10. Now what is h, students? 5, 6. Difference is 1. Difference is 1, students. So h value is 1. So p value, students. P value x. What is x? X here 5.5. 5.5 minus x is 5. X naught 5 divided by h. H value is 1, students. So that is equal to 5 minus 5. 0.5. 0.5. Now I want to find the value, students. Square root of 5.5, that is equal to root of 5.5. What is formula, students? Y naught. What is y naught? 2.236 plus p. P 0.5 plus 0.5 del y naught. What is del y naught? 0.213. 0.2130 plus p into p minus 1. P value is 0.5. 0.5 minus 1 minus 0.5 divided by 2 factorial means 2. 2. Del square y naught value minus 0.0160 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2. So 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 10, students here. 0.5 minus 2 minus 1.5 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. 6. Del q y naught. Del q y naught value minus 0.0010. That is equal to. You find the value at a time in the calculator, students. Right. 2.236 plus 0.5 into 0.2130 into plus bracket. Write all the t terms in the bracket, students. So 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 0.160 bracket close divided by 2 plus again you put all the terms, 4 terms in the bracket, students. So bracket 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 1.5 into minus 0.001 bracket close divided by 6, that is equal to, we get here 2.344, students. 3.444. This is the value of square root of 5.5, students. 5.5. In another way, we can also check the value, students. We put, there is a square root, students. Put square root 5.5, students. Simple. 5.5. The value is 2.345. 2.345. Okay, students. You can check directly also. Where you follow the procedure here. Okay, students. Finally, you got the answer. You check the answer in the calculator, students. Don't forget. Okay. Now, I covered Newton's forward formula, square root of problems, trigonometrics, general problem, and exponential problem also. I covered all the models, students, which will help in JN2K examination, students. JN2K examination. Okay, students. Right. Hope you understand, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.